Have you ever wondered where your dinner steak comes from? Today, we're diving deep into the science behind the round cut, a lean but flavorful piece of meat that originates from the rear leg muscles of cows. The round primal comes from the rump and back legs, divided into subprimal cuts like top round, bottom round, and knuckle. The eye of round is a small cylindrical muscle attached to the bottom round and scientifically known as the semitendinosus muscle. The top round, also called inside round, typically consists of two muscles, the semimembranosus and adductor. This cut is lean but tough due to frequent use by the cow's leg, making it best for slow cooking or roasting at low temperatures. The bottom round is a lean cut with low marbling. That comes from the lower part of the rear leg. It's best prepared by slow cooking or roasting at a low temperature to tenderize the meat and enhance flavor. The knuckle, also known as sirloin tip, is composed of four muscles from the quadriceps group. This cut provides a mix of texture and flavor, making it versatile for various culinary applications. Understanding these cuts helps in choosing the right type of meat based on cooking preferences. For instance, top round is great for roasting or braising due to its toughness, while bottom round can be used for steaks. In summary, the round cut comes from the rear leg muscles of cows and includes varieties like eye of round, top round, bottom round, and knuckle. Each type offers unique flavors and textures for various cooking methods. Which cut surprised you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into culinary science.